Yeah, my name is Travis Tawera. I lost my sister about 10 years ago. 10 years, 10 months and 11 days, so that was something really hard. You know, I couldn't take it. I really blame myself for her passing. Yeah, the day before she died, she came to see me. Before she could knock on my door, she just told I wasn't home. Yeah, but I was home. I was just asleep. She was coming to, you know, just to reach out to me, and yeah, I wasn't there for her, which I was always there for her, you know, just except for this time where, you know, she really needed me the most. So I blamed everyone, you know, myself mainly, but I blamed everyone else around me, everyone that loved me. I pushed them all away, and I didn't listen to no one. I had this big weight on my shoulders, and I sort of didn't really know what to do, and you know, I sort of wanted to end my own life. Well, I mean, I did want to end my own life, which was, for me, I thought that would have helped, because, you know, I would have just lost all that stress. I went for a walk in the bush one day. I had nothing but a rope in my backpack, and yeah, I was going to hang myself. Yeah, so I was lying in the ngahere, and I was just looking up to heaven, and I just thought about my first experience with suicide, and that was when one of my good mates, Charlie, he passed away. Yeah, he hung himself as well, and yeah, I went into some really dark places with that as well. And one thing I really remember though, that day it happened, my dad, he told me that if I'd ever done that, he would spit on my grave, which I was just like, whoa, you know, I was just blown away. Like, my dad said that to me, and I was just like, you know, it made me really sad, but it also made me realise that there was more for me here in life. I used all of that, and I come together with this plan. I was just hunting every day, fishing, and just out gathering kai, sharing it around all the whānau here in Waipiro Bay. And I was just getting that warm feeling, like, you know, all these elders that can't go out anymore, they just, you know, they really appreciated the kai that I was getting them, which made me feel real good. And I was just like, well, you know, I can do this. This is what I want to do. This is what I need to do. So I was growing my own vegetables, and yeah, I was out hunting every day, fishing, diving, and yeah, so I got out of those dark places, and I found my happy place, which was wicked. And now it's time that I share that with other brothers out there that are suffering, and you know, it's not easy for them to talk, because you know, some of them, they feel like it makes them look weak. So this is what I'm offering here in my whenua. So yeah, I want to reconnect them back with their ancestors, and reconnect them back with the whenua, and just go back to the old school way of life, live off the land. We don't have power or phone service here, or internet, or nothing like that. So yeah, everything we do here will, you know, it helped me in so many ways, and I just want to be able to share that with other like-minded brothers out there. The name of our kaupapa program that I've started is called Te Ora I Te Wairua, which means keeping our spirits alive. And that's exactly what I want to do. I want to keep our spirits alive. You know, just let them know it's all good to talk, it's all good to cry, you're not weak if you cry. I actually look at people who can cry as someone that's really brave, and you know, that they're a really strong person. I've run the program about 4 times so far, and I mean, without even knowing it, like, you know, just sort of mates, but even with people that I haven't met before. So I've offered them to come here, and just while we're out and doing activities and stuff like that, they're opening up to me in different ways, and I'm just realising, wow, you know, we're all in the same boat. And it's these sorts of things like the outdoors, and you know, tangaro and the ngahere, which can help you just take your mind off that in the town life, and whatever you're going through. It could be bullying, you could have broken up with your partner, and you know, that's a lot of stress, and I like to, you know, leave that stress out in the bush. It's such an amazing feeling being able to help others.